all of them, and they are demonstrating how to, in fact, all right, but there is a meeting that is going on. It's a meeting that is going on at the Prime Minister's residence at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg. The National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is right now at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, 7 LKM. NSA Ajit Doval meeting the Prime Minister. Back-to-back high-level meetings, viewers. Back-to-back high-level meetings being held at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, given the security situation, as India has vowed to hit back, and a very important meeting that is underway right now. PM Modi meeting NSA Doval, and such meetings, of course, it's a day, in fact even yesterday has been a day of very high level meetings. Riyanka joins us live on the broadcast. From Riyanka, tell us more about this meeting as Ajit Doval meets the Prime Minister at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg.
Well, we have just been able to ascertain that NSA Ajit Doval has arrived at Prime Minister's residence at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, and the meeting has already begun. Remember, this the similar meeting happened yesterday as well in the evening, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi was present at the PMO and at his office, where he had gone ahead and met with the NSA, and within just 24 hours of that meeting, there is a second meeting that is being held at the Prime Minister's residence at the moment. Given the sensitivity of the situation and several parallel developments happening around regarding cornering Pakistan, and several measures and strategic plannings that have been happening in our country, in the national capital, this is one such meeting again with the National Security Advisor, who happens to be present at the Prime Minister's residence at the moment, is what we understand. And this crucial talks are probably happening regarding the move next, and strategies that needs to be chalked out is something that we all are eyeing towards. Remember, tomorrow also there is going to be a massive mock drill that will be conducted across the nation. There could be a possibility that there is going to be a review on that as well. So yesterday there was a meeting between the NSA as well as the Prime Minister. Also Home Secretary Govind Mohan was present in that meeting. But today we yet are yet to ascertain the key agenda of this particular meeting. At this point in time, we are also not allowed to show the visuals from the Prime Minister's residence as a part of a security protocol, but we continue to report from outside the Prime Minister's residence at the 7 Lok Kalyan Marg.
In fact, it has been a day of key meetings, isn't it, Riyanka? We've seen NSA Doval also meeting the Prime Minister before today as well, and also the Chief of Air Staff also met the Prime Minister. Are there any such meetings also lined up further in the day? What are you picking up right now? Because India, of course, is waiting and is continuing to strategize as to how India is going to respond to that dastardly terror attack.
Well, Rakshita, if we all notice the fact that post the Pahalgam terror attack, there has been a slew of hurdles that have been happening with the top leadership of the country, whether it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi or, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh or Home Minister Amit Shah. The leaders, the tall leaders, including External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar, are all in action power mode. And we know that at this point in time, India is all set to give it back towards Pakistan's, terror activities that it has been harboring for quite some time now. And on the other hand, also the questions that have been raised by the UNSC against Pakistan and the involvement of Lashkar-e-Toiba, we continuously see how there is growing support for India, and all the hurdles that are taking place in the national capital. One such which is underway, as you rightly know, between the Prime Minister and the NSA, shows that the government is in no mood to step back but to retaliate, and there is a very, very strong action that is expected from the government, which is why several of these meetings are taking place in the national capital over the past few days, and many more are expected to happen over the course of the day and the days to come.
Yeah, thank you so much, Riyanka, for joining us. We have some more breaking